Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life of window cleaner. We should have had 18 cleans today. We've got one skip, so I've got 17. Plus we did have another clean. We've moved to a later date. So that's what we got today. We're in Wisbech St Mary. It's a 7-minute drive to get to my first house there from where I live. So it's fairly local. Dream team is normal. Matthew and Sophie. So will we do it? Hopefully, weather's all right. Don't know what it'll be like for the rest of the day, but find out. Just an update, we've just popped home for a toilet break. It's 6 minutes to 10 in the morning. We've done 5 cleans, we've got 11 to go. The houses vary in size, some of them are quite big, so they're good money value wise, and we've got a few small bungalows, so we've got a right mixture around here anyway. So the good advantage of being local is if you need to pop home for anything, you can. So it's not going to take too much time out of a day. And then once we've turned ourselves around, we're going to be going straight out. Weather looks good all day. It's going to be nice and dry, ain't too cold, so should finish early today so far. But now I've said that, you know what's going to happen. Anyway, let's see what happens for the rest of the day. That's us now, popped home for lunch. It's now lunchtime, midday. We've got 6 cleans left to go. There's a couple of small ones, but the rest are fairly decent size, so it should be all right. And we're one bit where there's about 5 all close to each other, so we should still be up for an early finish with that. We have had one more skip this morning, but it is what it is. It's another business and they're sort of struggling a bit, so you know what I mean? You just got to roll with it, isn't it? Everyone takes a turn of being hard up, don't they? And yeah, so hopefully it should be a nice, easy day. Take it when you got it, innit? Because there's other days where you're working your nuts off and pushed to the limits. But this month should be a really busy month. It's early days, it's the beginning of the month, and a lot of things can go wrong, so see what happens. Anyway, let's see what this afternoon brings. Catch you later. Hello everyone, the time is 10 to 3 in the afternoon and that's us finished. The last house of the day, no one was in, so we're going to get back to them. They did ask for Pacific time, so we're there after the time they've asked. But life sometimes gets in the way, so we're going to send a message anyway, so they know we did call and we'll just take it from there. Really good customer, so got to do them well, ain't you? So what we managed to do today then, we have done 13 cleans. We've got one we're just chasing up. We've had 2 skips in the end and 1 rearranged for another day. So you just go with it, don't you? Tomorrow we've got a gutter clear day. I've got 3 jobs, but I'm sure there's more. So my wife's going to load a couple more on there. We've just shifted the schedule along. And I know we've got a couple other jobs where we're going to do the same thing later this month as well, because it's getting into the gutter season, isn't it? But it's worth it if we make more money on a gutter day than a window cleaner day to shift the schedule along. So yeah, that's us done. Thanks for watching. There'll be a video coming up here. If you already haven't done so, just like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. It all helps me out. Any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. That's it from me. Stay safe and see you on the next one.